If you want to buy Shiba Inu with PayPal, here's the fastest way. First, choose a crypto exchange that supports PayPal deposits. Coinbase and eToro are solid options. Obviously, Binance doesn't support PayPal. I'm just showing you on Binance for the sake of the tutorial because I can't create a Coinbase account where I'm from. Also, start by creating an account if you don't have one. Then verify your identity quickly so your transaction go through smoothly. Once verified, go to the deposit section or to the buy crypto section and link your PayPal account. It's going to be the same tutorial on Binance and on Coinbase. It's basically the same, don't worry. Enter the amount you want to buy and confirm the payment. Next, navigate to the Shiba Inu page on the exchange. Click buy, select the amount in USD or PayPal balance, and complete the purchase. Remember, PayPal usually charges a small fee, so double check before confirming. Finally, once your SHIB is in your exchange wallet, consider moving it to a private crypto wallet for security. That way, even if the exchange has issues, your tokens stay safe. And that's it. With these steps, you can buy Shiba Inu with PayPal quickly and safely. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.